Good evening. I would like to tell those who want to learn English language a way to learn very easily. First, let me few words about the importance of English language. English language is most important in our professional life today because the world is globalized and English language is the globalized language. If you know English, you can communicate with the world. You can impact the world. Your words will listen the world. Like that, so many benefits you will get when you learn English language. Today, each and every country in the world gives importance to teach English language because the world is communicating each other and English language is using as a common communicating medium. That is why English learning is most important at this time. If you know English, you can communicate with the world. If you don't know English, how much excellent you are, you don't get as much success. Whatever excellent you are, if you don't know English, you don't get as much success. That is the world today. So try to learn English language. Today, so many international companies are launching their branches in all over India. If you know English, you can get a job very easily in such types of companies. But you have to speak with the people from all over the world. There you need English language. And the students who are studying in Malayalam medium, or when they enter into +1, their whole subject will change over into English language. If they know English, they can read and make their own subject for the exam. Like that, so many benefits you will get when you learn English language. Some language skills are there which we need to improve for better English. Let us see which is that. 4 skills are there. The first is listening. When we hear good speeches, we should listen it again and again. You have to listen it again and again, over and over again, till it becomes a part of your memory. When you hear good language, you have to listen it again and again, till it becomes a part of your memory. You have a good super memory power than any another creature. So use it. We can fulfill that memory power, that memory with knowledge. When you hear such types of speeches, firstly you will get language, then you will get the knowledge about the world, about economically, socially, culturally, medical sciencely. Like that, so many benefits you will get when you hear such types of videos. Because So many great people and scholars are put their videos on YouTube. When you watch that, your mind will bloom like a flower. You will get knowledge, so many knowledges about the world. So listen it again and again till it becomes a part of your memory. Repeatedly listen. Listen till it becomes a part of your memory. Not once in a month or once in a week. Regularly listen. Each day, as soon as you get up in the morning, you just listen some English speeches. So many speeches are there on YouTube. You can download some speeches from YouTube and you can watch it on your smart TV. Regularly watch, repeatedly watch, then you will get knowledge, then you will get language. Because language is getting with experience. Language is getting by imitation. How we learned Malayalam language? We learned by imitation. First we imitated our parents and the members of our house. Then we imitated the surrounding people. The same way we can use to learn English language also. You know what is imitation? Imitation means to do what somebody else is doing. Imitation means to do what somebody else is doing. Do. When you hear good language, you imitate it by heart it, because language is getting with experience. Language is getting by heart, by imitation. The first one is, I already mentioned, listening. And the second one is writing. When you see a good passage, you write it. Again and again you write it, like in book section. Write it again and again till it becomes a part of your memory. Then you read it. The third one is reading. Read it again and again, till it becomes a part of your memory. For improving your vocabulary, by looking at your reading passage and by listening to your listening passage. Like that you can improve your vocabulary also. So do it daily, practice it daily. And the fourth one is speaking. Speaking is very important. Because if you are not speaking, never you can speak. So you make a group of friends to speak English. Each day you have to speak with them. If you are a student, you can speak with your friends. Sometimes your school have more than 500 students. You might not have to speak with those 500 students, but you have to speak. At least the students from your class, students on your classroom. If you are speaking with 20 students, you will get 20 sentences each day. Your language will progress slowly if you are practicing like that. So practice each day, not once in a week or once in a month. Each day you have to practice when you will get time. You can download some conversations from YouTube and you can speak it together. You can speak together. You can speak with your friends. Like that we can learn English language So practice it each day. Don't forget. If you are not practicing a day, you don't take any food that day. If you are regularly practicing, surely you can speak you will get a good language within 1 or 2 years. You can speak with anybody. But if you are not speaking, never you can speak. So practice it again and again till it becomes you. So till it becomes the part of your memory. Okay, then I will come with another video. Thank you.